Good afternoon, my brothers or my sisters. If I look out from Baba Adam Bako Peno size, my brother, I'm sitting here and take video and greet all the see me all social media, greet all the who been there social media. But my brother, I'm helping people. Your problem, any problem you are facing, try and contact Baba Adam Bako Pen. But I want to sit here and tell you something. I'm using two numbers, MTN and Vodafone. People are using my picture and collect people money to eat. Many for enemy brothers. Me person me can't send be chiro. A month where you see my picture, GG month for SKG. I'm using two numbers. Me using two numbers, MTN and Vodafone. My more being Jews can do and Sanawa framing. Me pay I send anything that me take from video. Eddie come mouth for assembly. Mouth for you see my picture. Eddie GG mouth for SKG. Shine your eyes. With me number now from video call. Say that me so can me wo video bi obi better ma from video call. No the phone. Eddie I choose to say. Now when you say me no na kasa ba na nyame na phone na or the phone. Eddie I took camera no so now no na kasa. Afen na ma ka kire ono. Be ma tuana mo bra. Who wan fa utu kwan o pese utu kwan ko Libya. Ba bia o pese utu kwan ko metima ball. Metina ha say etimi ye bibia but am person me ka sem be chiro obi si wo betna akomande sika e dia ma e wo dem man pa kro twentro. My brother, I don't want to talk too much. People be are using my picture and collect people want to eat. So shine your eyes. Just now you are seeing Baba Adam. My number is +23355601970. Watch it, that's my number. My number is +2332053975557. That's my number. I'm using two numbers. Don't let somebody collect your money before you can contact me. See my certificate. Cameraman, show them. You see my certificate, my number, there, my everything. Watch it very well. Don't let somebody collect your money before you can contact me and explain that I'm not the thing I'm doing. That's what. Shine your eyes. You understand me? Don't worry, my brother, my sisters. Shine your eyes. Try and contact me now and get the thing you need. Any problem you are facing, I don't want to talk too much. From Nigerian people, you are needing money. If I just telling you to do something, you don't do the thing for me. You do to yourself. If I just telling you to send money, you don't send money to do my packet. You send it to your work. The money you want to send to me, I don't want to use it to do my packet. I will use it to do your work for you, successful. Then you can be a rich. Shine your eyes, my brother. I'm not the thing I'm doing. Marriage problem, job problem, anything problem. Try and contact me. If you contact me, you'll get the thing you need. I know the thing I'm doing. That's why every day I'm taking video and greet